Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riska Putri from 11 Accounting 2. Here, I want to tell you how to make omelette noodles. Happy watching!
Materials: cooking oil, instant noodles, vegetables, 2 eggs. Tools: spatula, teflon, fork, and bowl. First, boil instant noodles. Second, break the egg into a bowl. Third, add the instant noodle seasoning. And vegetables to the eggs and stir until evenly mixed. Fourth, add the boiled instant noodles to the eggs mixture. Fifth, heat cooking oil in the frying pan. Sixth, fry the mixture of eggs and instant noodles until brown.